How to use NotebookLM. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use NotebookLM. NotebookLM is an AI-powered note-taking tool which is developed by Google that allows users to upload documents and interact with them in innovative ways. NotebookLM helps you to quickly condense lengthy documents into concise summaries and also helps in creating story guides, brief codes, FAQs, and timelines based on your materials. To use NotebookLM, you will need to first open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar type in notebooklm.google. Once you have entered this keyword, press on enter to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of NotebookLM. Here, you will need to sign into your account using your Google account. Simply click on this Try NotebookLM box right here, and then you will be able to sign in using your Google account. Once you are signed into your account, you will be able to see this interface on your screen. Simply click on this Create New button right here in order to start a new notebook, and then you can also name it based on its purpose. For that, you will need to click on this Untitled Notebook at the top left and there rename your notebook. Now here you can add a source to get started. Simply click on this Upload a Source button right here, and then in this pop-up you have several options for uploading the content. You can either upload documents in PDF, text or markdown formats from your computer, or you may also connect to a Google Doc or Google Slideshow or paste the text directly. If you'd like to insert the URLs of your website or YouTube, you may also do so by using the features given here. And at the bottom, you'll be able to see this source limit, which means you can upload up to 50 files with a total of 5 lakhs words. For now, I'm uploading a document from my device. Simply click on this Choose File option and then select a document from your device. Soon after uploading the document, you will see an automatically generated summary and suggested questions tailored to your documents at the bottom. In this chat panel here, if you'd like to ask questions, in the chat panel below, in this chat panel at the bottom, you can either type your own questions or select from the suggested one. Simply click on the questions and the AI will provide answers with citations from your document. At the left side, you'll be able to see this note section. From here, you'll be able to create the story guide, briefing doc, FAQ, and stories, FAQs, timeline, and story guide based on your uploaded materials. Simply click on one of these options to check it. You can explore sampler notebooks to understand the organization and note-taking strategies in NotebookLM. This also helps you to synthesize information from multiple sources for projects or presentations. NotebookLM is ideal for students, researchers, and professionals who are looking to streamline the information processing and enhance the productivity. So this is how you can use NotebookLM. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.